Hi guys. I've had a good morning so far. Anyway, I had my pumpkin spice coffee. There's one more in the Keurig thing. I think I might wait either till later today or I'm still having a little bit of an issue with my breakouts, but I'm watching something on TV right now. I have it paused right now. But anyway, I have to turn on the heater because of the rain. Early this morning, I really didn't have to because I was warm. I had the heater on all night. I've been having the heater on. But anyway, I might watch something and for a little while. But anyway, I had to get my charger. But anyway, I'm gonna watch a little TV. I'll worry about that afterwards. Anyway, I'm not really hungry right now. I'll probably eat a little later, and since I'm standing right by the heater, my hair's blowing everywhere. Anyway, like I said, I'm probably not gonna have another cup of coffee. I'm starting to get a little warm. Anyway, I'm also like, I don't really know what I'm doing today. I'm just gonna try and stay in the house, take my dog out when I need to. And I hope it don't rain again today. It's been trying to, but if you're wondering what that sound is, I'm just doing this with the water bottle. Anyway, like I said, it's been raining on and off, and I think my nose is starting to clear up, because my allergies have been bothering some. I'm gonna fix the bed a little bit. In fact, I think I'm gonna do that today. Watch a little TV. Maybe drink some hot tea like I usually do, and I'm trying not to get close to the outside today because it's muggy, wet, and been raining. And if not necessarily meaning get close to the outside, if I go outside, it's too wet right now, and it's been raining so much that we have had a little bit of flooding. So, and also I have my dog. I don't know if I mentioned this. My dog hates baths. He hates it with a passion. So when he knows I got soap in my hand, we used Dawn on him, but Bossy, you're not getting one today. I'm just talking about it on the vlog. Yeah, but when he hears it, he'll even run in here, get on the bed, and sit down. And we basically have to pick him up and drag him down the stairs. He hates it that much. And I've heard dogs. You want to get up here? You want to get up here? Come on. It's okay. Really? He got right where I was about to fix the bed. But part of that's already fixed. I gotta pick up the remote. And pick up my tablet. I got that as a birthday gift. And then I had to go and buy another one. Where is the other song? Oh, that's right. You made it fall down. Oh. I'm gonna have to wash those. His bed's right there. My slippers, Ethan's slippers, mine, and my tennis shoes. My tennis shoes. My tennis shoes go right here, so I'll always know where they're at. There, go right at the edge of the bed. Okay. I've been trying to pick up. So, tags. Don't need that anymore. I got a little upset yesterday because I used all my Kleenex. Because my nose has been bothering me, my allergies been bothering me. I will ask him if he wants that. Oh, really? I thought I threw this away. See, I have a thing for like a headband, but this is the scrunchy one. I don't know if I mentioned, but oh, I gotta keep that. Yeah, like I said, I'm just cleaning up. Okay, just cleaning up. And like I said, just cleaning up. I'm throwing this away. And that's probably why it's making that racket. Like I said, I've already cleaned, sweeped. I probably gotta do that again before he gets home. But anyway, I had sort of a dizzy type spell, and that's normal because I have epilepsy. And then sometimes I'll have to sit down or I'll pass out if I haven't eaten. Sometimes it don't happen. But anyway, Bossy, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Anyway, I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna finish doing this. And I will see y'all in the next vlog. And this will probably be uploaded sometime later today. But I was seeing if I had anything else to say. But anyway, that's all I've got to say for in this vlog. I'll see y'all in the next one. Alright. Bye, guys.